This is a solar paneled, motion camera activated bird feeder. This is the box that came in right here. And you know what? I went and got me some bird seed, and I like the Pennington Ultra Songbird because, like me, I like to sing. So I want to get those types of birds around to hear them chirping. Let's just kind of like look over the box here. You can see right here, there's a cell phone there because you're going to you hook an app up to this camera, and you can view what the birds are doing at any time. View recordings and photos anywhere, anytime. You can see, look how happy those people are when they see a parrot flying through the sky. And let's kind of look over it here. This is a smart bird feeder, 1080p video, ultra wide HD photos. It's got solar charging. Let's see that, solar charging, IP66 waterproof, and a 2-liter food capacity. I do have I think I've got 2 pounds of, feed right here. Let me show you what else was in the box. You get a strap for kind of like strapping it down to a pole or something like that. And I think you run them through there. You get a hanger. This hanger will connect right there on these sides, so you'd hang it from a tree branch. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to screw it into a fence post. Here's another little cam strap for strapping it down. I'm going to screw it into a fence post that I have in front of my house. That way it gets sunlight, and it's kind of in the front, because believe it or not, this is actually like a little security camera. So what also this thing doubles as is a security camera. It picks up motion if someone walks up to it or something like that. And it's pretty easy to set up. You can't take this off, but I will show you. There's a button right here on the top. I have it plugged in, and what you're going to do, you're going to open this up and turn it on, and I will show you all that in a minute. But let me go ahead and then screw the base down. You're going to screw the base down right here. Let me go ahead and put my base up and then tighten all this up, and then I'll put the bird feeder on there and then add some bird seed, and then you know what? Then just add birds. So let's get to it. Okay, everybody, I have a fence post right here that I'm going to put the bird feeder on, and what I'm going to do is screw this in with the supplied hardware right here. Then the bird feeder mounts right on top of that, and you can adjust it. I do get a lot of sunlight on the side of the house right here, and this is where I want it because it also faces my front yard. So if someone walks up or something, I'll get a notification and then send it to me so I know someone's in the front yard. So let's go ahead and install this now. Once you get that top one in, this bottom one's a lot easier, that's for sure. So now I'm going to take the bird feeder here, see how I can open that up. And then this is the power switch right there. Blue light's flickering, that lets me know that it's on. Okay, once you turn this on, there's also an SD card that's in there. There's a reset mode, and then you see the USB-C cable right there. It's kind of hard to see all that in the camera, I get it, but that's how it works right there. You open the app, and the app's called Triss Home, T-R-I-S-S. Look at my camera here. You see my hand moving around right here inside the camera. So we know this camera is activated, and I want y'all to check this out. There's an alert. If you want, you can hit like an alert, and you could set it up for motion. So I get push notifications on the app. You get motion detected, a record button, a camera guide, different types of settings. And then if someone's walking up to your house, watch this.
You have entered the monitoring area.
You can capture, you can have like a light or whatever. There's a light alert that pops up, and there's different types of settings right here. Very impressive on the app. What I like is I can see this anywhere in the world that I'm going. I see my batteries at 63%, and I still have 58 gigs left on my card, and you can make it more, you can have it like that. If you want to sit here and stare at a little bird sitting right here, there you would go. See my hand? That's technically a little bird wiggling his wings right there, see? So that works. So I'm gonna go ahead, hook it up, add some bird seed, then set it up here and tighten it down, then I'll come back and show y'all. Add the bird seed, you just take that cover off right there, and this holds a lot of bird seed. That's more than halfway, and that gives me, this is a 2-pound bag of the Pennington Ultra, and I still have probably half a bag left. Then that locks back into place, and you see how it just kind of like drops down in there like that. You might use a little smaller seed, but this is working just fine. I think this will work. So let's go ahead and set it up now. These right here are going to go in right here. So there's one that goes right here, and see how I can turn it. So if I want to face the sun, but I'm just going to leave it kind of straight right there. And then the second one will go right here. There it is. This thing is set up. It's pretty solid, so it's going to get sun all day, charge the camera. You can see the cameras right there. You can see me moving around in there. The camera's set up. It's facing right down at the little bird roosting area right there. So the birds will land right here and they'll get seeds. And then I get an app update. My app will update on my phone and let me know, hey, actually, look, it's at 71% right now and charging. It was at 68. So 71% just since I've been sitting here. So this solar panel works really good and it's waterproof. It's pretty much weather resistant and whatever you need out here. This is something awesome. I think would be a great gift for anyone that's, you know, like a bird watcher or someone that's kind of like likes to know what's going on around their house at all times, because this will let you know if somebody walks up anywhere within a like an area right here. I will get a notification that there's motion out front of there, but I put it where it's facing right down at the bird seed. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the solar panel remote bird feeder. See y'all in the next video.